This is an anti-tailgater for your motorcycle.
Look at me like I'm fucking crazy. Smile and wave, boys. Oh no, he's turning around. On the bright side of that, I gotta get high off of gas fumes. I know what you're thinking. Why the hell is it strapped to your back? Oh, it's after me. Wrangle your cows with your bike. I'm the new type of cowboy. Or, if you're law enforcement, let's just call it my emotional support weapon. And it's gonna save millions of lives.
Is it legal? Yes. It's got wheels.
Does it work? I'll prove it does. Got this thing strapped to my back like a dumb. Here we go. Oh man. And we broke it. That lasted a total of not very long. And we're back. Really, I think this just helps prove my point. Could you imagine if that broke on the highway? Cars wouldn't want to get anywhere near you. It's genius. Oh, look, a sheriff. Good thing he didn't look to his right. Is it illegal? Maybe. But it's also super funny looking. It's working already, dude. People won't even turn onto my street. Genius incoming. You ready? It's working. Look at that. It worked. Oops, that's not supposed to happen. No one seems to care. It's normal nowadays because you record anything and everyone's just like, yep, another idiot. And I don't blame them because I do look like a idiot. Look, there's a guy coming behind us. Look at this guy. He slows down to about 2 miles an hour. Look at me like I'm crazy. It's genius. You know, I could have painted my emotional support weapon. But then I was like, you know, this looks way more dangerous when it's all rusted. People aren't gonna get within like 1,000 feet. You see that guy? He turned down the street. I got people turning down streets because they don't want to be in the same street as me. Probably thinking, oh, that psycho's at it again. And I'd be like, yeah, psycho is at it again. I think I broke it. So I would say this is another very successful day for my inventions. Because if you get pulled off your bike, that just means people aren't going to get near you. So really, it's working flawlessly. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Look, he's stopping. What is he doing? Oh no, he's turning around. This isn't good. Oh shit. I'm just going to leave now. Look at that. See, it can even take up the middle of the street for you so no one runs into you. A guy started to turn around. He pulled in the parking space across the street. I just, you know, unbelted the thing and shoved it to the side and left. I got scared. It's been a few minutes. Hey, look, it's still there. You see it? I'm gonna hurry and take that thing back. That thing works so well. I was only able to make it 1 block before someone freaked out. How cool is that? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. I know what you're thinking. Why the hell is it strapped to your back? I am a genius. Just think about it. What are motorcyclists always doing? Getting on and off their bike. Who else is in danger of getting run over? Walking pedestrians. So now you simply detach from your bike and boom, your emotional support weapon will follow you around wherever you go as you do all your walking things, like fueling up. Oh, shit. You know what'll be funny? Let's just pour gasoline all over the ground. Now my bike and I are gonna smell like gasoline for who knows how fucking long. I'm such a dumbass. Well, on the bright side, I gotta get high off of gas fumes. Getting the mail. Ooh, mail. Mail. Oh, wait, is that mine? Crossing the street. Wrangling your cows. Get over here. These cows might be stupid. If I was them, I'd be running for the hills. Hey, you too. As you can see, 1 out of 3 is not bad. You have peace of mind knowing you will never get run over ever. I am a genius. How to install is simple. Haha. Simply just leg over. Aha. Half an Oreo. What the hell do you think you're gonna hurt yourself? I almost just dropped a $7,000 bike. Wrangle your cows with your bike and your anti-tailgater. It works perfectly. I've got him cornered. Shoo shoo. Shoo shoo. No. You too. Come here. Meow, meow. Hey, what do you two think you're doing? You're supposed to be wrangled right now. Get over here. Oreo, you're supposed to run from that thing. That thing will turn you into ground beef, son. These cows are stupid. Stupid cows. I think I'm the stupid one. Come on, son. Come on. Yeehaw. 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 Come on. You two. The f you think you're doing over here? You're supposed to be wrangled. Who even uses horses nowadays? If you charging me, I swear. See how wrangled they are right now? Good. Yeah. Yeah. Stay out of my pasture. I'm actually having a blast. This is awesome. You're welcome. I'm the new type of cowboy, okay? Your anti-tailgater kind of lures them in because they like to itch themselves on it. And then you just run circles around them. It's genius. Now this box will be a very accurate representation of what will happen if a car hits your emotional support weapon. Oh, not again. As you can see, with this anti-tailgating device, motorcyclists can ride with peace of mind, knowing that traffic will steer clear or be fended off and destroyed by their emotional support weapon. You're welcome. And if you're wondering why I'm riding my sport bike through forest trails, the simple answer is because I can. Woo! Oh, it's after me!
Okay, so there might be a few kinks, like physics or gravity. Like you can't turn at all. And if you go downhill, you actually have to speed up so you don't get turned into ground beef from your own emotional support weapon.
Oh, it's after me!
But that's really not that important when you think about the fact that you're now completely safe from tailgaters and other car driving maniacs. You're welcome. I mean, if you think about it, I'm a genius.